Everyone, well, I had to do it. I had to finally break down and do it. I went out and bought me some brake pads here. Brand new ones from O'Reilly for $33.51. Look at the depth on that one. Here's what came off, everybody. They're right down to the bare minimum. I suspect that the passenger side is probably going to be worse because it was grinding, but it hasn't gotten into the fabric to tear up the rotors. So there it is, everybody, with the brand new pads on. It's 113, well, this one was 12 millimeter on ours. Then you have to take the brake adjust to clamp off there. See that, where it's hanging? It's snapped like some of the other YouTubers said it would. No big deal though, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the tire on here. On the other side, I'm gonna take it all apart. I'll show you the take apart process. We're gonna do some backward order. Hey everybody, here's the passenger side. See this right here? This has to be spun counter or clockwise all the way in, and you can do that using one of these, and you just lock onto the edge of it with your pliers, and you turn it all the way this way until it stops, till it's flush with the back. And like I was saying, I think they were metal on metal, and they sure were. Look at there, there's just nothing left of those guys. So I got some brand new ones here. You always want to put your clip on the inside like this, so your rotor will hit this. It'll hit that when it gets low. Instead of dragging on it, it'll hit it. That way it doesn't do as much damage to your rotor. A lot of people opt to take those off, but I just leave them on there because it doesn't really matter. Sometimes you have to take them off to get in your way. See, they just go on real easy, just like that. It's not all the way on top, but I'll get it. Brand new brake pads are on now. All happy. There's the old ones, no more grinding brakes. I put the tire back on the car and all's good. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't really show a whole lot of the labor, but it's just a 12 on the back side right here. This whole thing just pivots on this arm. You push it backwards and off, and then you wind that spool back like I showed y'all. Throw on your new pads on here, and then put your caliper back on, line it up, and put the bolt in secure.